already know about campus placements, right? How campus placements are organized, scheduled, how campus placements work. You already have a good idea about that. But in this video, I will tell you what is the logic behind campus placements. Why campus placements are conducted by colleges and why companies or organization or corporate companies, why they invest in campus placements, why it is very important for them to hire people from campus placement. We will understand in this video. My name is Sushmita and you're watching my YouTube channel Sushmita Madhu. If you're watching this video for the first time, there is a subscribe button. Click that subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell icon. I create lot of videos on job, career and startup business ideas, and I can assure you that all my videos you will learn a lot of things. So subscribe and click the bell icon also for all the future updates. Now, organizations or corporate companies, they conduct campus placements or campus recruitment or campus hiring in colleges. Colleges are definitely getting benefited because they can showcase that so many companies every year come to our college and they choose or they select our students, and that becomes a branding material or branding thing for colleges. Definitely that will help them to convince parents or students to join their colleges. Now, companies, I will tell you 5 points, 5 benefits why companies or corporates they invest or they look for campus recruitment processes. The very first one is in campus placement. Definitely companies will be hiring very fresh minds or very fresh people, young people, right? People who are either writing their final year exams or people who have already completed their college. They are selected in campus placements. Now what happens is when they select these fresh minds, these fresh or young people, they get lot of young ideas or very new ideas, creative ideas along with them, and they add into the team. They also bring lot of energy, like lot of positive energy to the team. Also, companies training these fresh minds is much cheaper when compared to training experienced people. I'll give you another example. Organizations or companies, they feel that writing on a clean slate is much better than writing on a slate that is already written, erasing that, cleaning that, and again writing on that slate. That is expensive. Organizations feel in this way. So writing on a clean slate is much cheaper or better than writing on a slate that was already written and then erasing and then again writing. So that is the logic behind why corporate companies, they hire or they look after, they invest in campus placement. This was the first very important point. One more thing, campus placement, because the young generation, the younger people or the fresh minds, they will have an emotional connect with the company. They can also add that I got selected in a campus selection, I got selected in so and so multinational company. That will also bring a emotional connect with the company. So these people, most of them, they will stay longer with the organization instead of leaving the organization within a very short span. So the employees, the people who will be selected in campus selection, tend to stay long with the organization. That is also one of the benefits. The second benefit I can say is, for one job role, these companies get lot of applications, lot of applicants they get, and as a result of that, they also get lot of resumes. All these resumes will be collected in the resume bank in this company, and the same resume bank can be used for other recruitment processes or any organization requirement. Now these younger generation, because they are fresh mind and I mean to say the very, like, without any experience, without any training, they has been hired. These people will be very easily molded to the company's culture. They will be very easily developed using like whatever role they are getting hired for. That role they will be developed by training and all those stuff, and they will be molded, they will be easily molding to the organization culture or the company's policies. Now because the recruitment process is getting conducted in the college, the recruitment cycle will be also faster. As a result of that, the recruitment process will be much cheaper for the organization when compared to the organization investing in walk-in drives, the organization hiring a job consultancy or a recruitment agency to get candidates. spending money there is expensive for organization when compared to spending money or time in campus hiring or campus selection. Now, campus selection or campus hiring also helps the organization for branding. Lot of people, lot of students, lot of candidates will come to know about the organization vision, mission. They will understand their website, what exactly they are doing, their services, everything. Lot of people will come to know about the company culture. That is also one of the reason or agenda for campus selection or campus hiring. Next benefit, very important, is campus hiring also lessens down or lowers bad recruitment. Bad recruitment means after all the rounds of interview, candidates, they do not turn up or they do not join the organization. Those kind of things are called as bad recruitment. So in campus selection, these kind of bad recruitments are also very less when compared to walk-in drive interviews, or when compared to like candidates, those are referred by a recruitment agency. So campus selection people who are getting selected by campus selection, they almost or mostly they join the organization where they are getting selected in campus hiring. So these were all the points that or benefits that organizations or companies look for, and that is the reason they invest in campus placement. Why this video or why this content is important for you? If you're planning for campus placement, you also have to understand the logic behind why campus placements are created or why campus placements are conducted. You should know that will definitely help you to attend the interviews or answer the HRs and answer their psychology. What are they looking in the candidates? Why they are conducting this kind of interview? So you will get a clear idea. That is the reason I have chosen this topic and I have created this topic. If you feel this topic was good enough and this can also help your friends and family members to understand the logic behind why campus placement is important for a corporate company, you should share this video with your friends and family members also. I'm also active on Instagram. You can also follow me on Instagram. You can follow my URL is mentioned here. You can go to Instagram, search for Sushmita Madhu, and you will find me. The link of my Instagram URL is also mentioned in the description of this video. So if you feel this video was good enough, please like this video, share with your friends and family. Comment below what you think about this video also. So that is all about this video, and I will see you in tomorrow's video also. Very important topic I will be sharing in tomorrow's video also. My name is Sushmita, and thank you once again for watching my YouTube channel and subscribing to my YouTube channel Sushmita Madhu. Thank you so much and Namaste.